first. So you want to put the water underneath, probably right there is good. So you put the water first and then the powder over. So the powder has already been measured, of course. So first thing I want to do is to do circles here until it's pretty much mixed. After I finish the circles, I put the palm and I press against my palm. And I start rotating the tray and the bowl like this. And I'm pretty good there. Nice and smooth. The next thing I do is I try to pick up the whole thing. And one. And place it on the tray. Okay. Once I get this done, this is still rough, so I'm gonna smooth it with some water to get a nice impression, more or less. Okay, so let's go to our patient here, just waiting for us. So this is what I was talking to you. This side of the tray is the one that's gonna create a retraction. So this finger is always gonna be like this. This tray rotates over and position. Once I got a position, my finger goes forward and the tray slowly fits in there. Once I get it there, I use two fingers and I start doing my border molding here, there, and the front lip. Okay? One more time. 1, 2, 3. And just wait there for the impression. So this is fast set. It's gonna set. Okay. Just waiting here. So once I finish, so looking at this material, and I start looking my, see if it's ready or no. Yep, it's ready. I asked my patient, can you blow some air for me? Like this. Go ahead. And break up. Look at the impression.